take that. I'm Emily and I'm with Eden Point Lifestyle Center in Jasper, Georgia. Today I'm going to be making Apple Jacks, but it's raw, not from the box. Today these are our ingredients: organic apples, dates, ginger, salt, Ceylon cinnamon, and soaked and dehydrated raw pecans. I'm going to first put in the apples. And because there's a little bit of a lot in here, I'm going to go ahead and chop it up a little. That should be good for now. You have to get them all off the sides. There. Now, the dates. Then I'm going to be doing this ginger, salt, Ceylon cinnamon, and soaked and dehydrated raw pecans. There. Now, I'm going to take the lid off, get it all off the sides, and then I'm going to do it again. So do this over until you think it's ready, or until it's still clumpy, just not applesauce. I'm going to real quick put the top stuff onto the bottom so that all of it's all done. That should be good. I'm going to do this 1 or 2 more times, and then I'm going to put it into a bowl. Now I'm going to take out some of the Apple Jacks and put it into a bowl. That's good. Please subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you.